All right, so today I want to talk about the SAP Discovery Center. And so this is a way for customers and partners to be able to find specific functionality. I think right nowadays everyone wants to talk about AI, so that's what I'll show. But you can come in here, click SAP Business AI, and then you'll see on the left side you're able to search or filter based upon certain categories. So I've already done this where I've chosen human capital management, but if you're looking for a specific product area, you can look for it. And then outside of that, if I want a specific product, right? And so within SuccessFactors, I can look for Employee Central specifically or recruiting or whatever it is. But if I come back to this main part right here, you can see it does have 34 results, and some of them will be across the suite, right? AI assisted writing. So this is within specific fields, but not particular to a module, or other things will be specific to a module, right? And so if I look at explain my pay, for example, this you can see it has an overview. Have you ever noticed a change in your pay? What caused it? Been Employee Central Payroll. It has some specific benefits for this, like reducing the number of tickets, and then actually has some business value metrics as well. And so you can scroll down, the information about the product, and then this is something that's relatively new, product roadmap for related AI offerings, right? So in this case, for the second half release in SuccessFactors, kind of what this will do and some enhancements they might put that you'd also be interested in. If they have it, you also have video here, which I think. So in this case, it's showing, I'll mute it, but the release video in which this came out, right? And so I can look at this and see, okay, explain my pay. It gives a video showing the functionality, how this works, right? And so I'm able to kind of see that information here. And then I also have some resources here on the right side as well, where I can go in and find out more about it. But overall, it shows a lot of the information you might want to need to know about this. And then I can go back and look for other things. So I think this is particularly useful as companies are live with a SuccessFactors product and you're using it and like, all right, well, what AI do we roll out? What should we do next? And where can I get value? And you kind of go and you can kind of look through this and say, all right, what areas make the most sense for me? Thanks for watching and good luck on your AI journey. So please like and subscribe to the channel and appreciate it. Thanks.